Hello viewers, today's my topic says Job Responsibilities of Housekeeping Supervisor. I hope this video will really help you who work in a hotel in the housekeeping department as a housekeeping supervisor role, and also for the freshers to get knowledge about the roles. So let's start and keep watching my video until the end. Housekeeping duties and responsibilities. Number 1. Assign guest rooms and common areas to housekeeping staff. Number 2. Inspect rooms and common areas for cleanliness. Number 3. Staff hire, training and discipline housekeeping staff. Number 4. Water cleaning supplies. Number 5. Create employees' weekly working rosters. Number 6. Create weekly and monthly inventory. And the last one, number 7, give regular reports to executive housekeepers. Thanks for watching. If you guys like my video, then please like and comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.